Hi there makers, Alina Charity here, the maker designer behind Sitn'Crochet.com. Over the years, I have learned how to crochet, write crochet patterns with the help of YouTube. It has been a very bumpy road, so I know all the struggles that come with learning how to crochet. I know how frustrating it is to not know if this yarn can go with this hook. What does this hook mean? What does this stitch? What is the stitch? Can I do the stitch as a beginner? So I have put together some few tips how to keep your crochet project straight, because I know how much I struggled with that as a beginner. I would always have crooked ends. So in this class I want to show you how you can keep your crochet project straight and which stitches you as a beginner should be focusing on. I have also attached a PDF document that's gonna help you understand better the weights of yarn, the different types of crochet hooks, and which yarn goes with which crochet hooks. And at the end of this class there's a little surprise project that I want you guys to do that should have you going on to your next level of crocheting. At the end of this class you should be comfortable with multiple stitches and you should be on your way to crocheting your very first sweater, as you know the cold season is about to be upon us, depending on which time you're coming across this crochet class. So why don't you go ahead and click on enroll and let me see you in class.